Hey guys, it's Free. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel for you. So basically, I'm gonna prank my mother. Basically, I'm gonna be doing that there's a missile or whatever, like a nuclear missile, whatever. It's an emergency broadcast system that I found on YouTube, whatever, and I saw a couple of videos on it, and the reactions were like so funny. And so I think I'm gonna do that on my mom today, and I'm so nervous, you guys. So I put on sweatpants, and my hair does not look good at all. They're like, I feel like my mom doesn't think anything's going on. My sister's in on it too, by the way, and I just wanted to make a little disclaimer that I know that situations like this is not something to be joking about and stuff like that, but I promise it's just all for entertainment and stuff like that. I never ever wish that on the United States, and I'm whispering because I'm scared mom's gonna hear me, and you guys, I'm so nervous. So if I come to school with a black eye, y'all know why. It's because my mama beat me because I pranked her. Anyway, yeah guys, okay, so let's just get into the video.
Oh, never out.
Ooh, Eddie, you're gonna kill me. Oh my god, I'm scared now. Is it recording?
Mommy! Mommy! Come upstairs! What's going on?
We interrupt this program. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow.
Mommy, what is this?
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. A nuclear attack was commenced against the United States. 15 nuclear bombs have detonated in several areas across the country. They include Baltimore, Boston, Chicago, Denver, Detroit, Los Angeles, Las Vegas, New York, Pennsylvania, Portland, Maine, Portland, Oregon, San Francisco, San Diego, Seattle, and Washington, D.C. At this time, all residents within a 400-mile radius of these areas should seek a fallout shelter. Fallout is a product of nuclear attacks. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in certain death if there is a nearby.
You guys, she's mad, but we got her.
Hello, we got Trump president. It's not a nice prank. I do not appreciate it.
Anyway, but can you admit that I got you good?
Yeah,
I got you
me
good.
good. Yes,
I got you good. I was gonna do the alien invasion one.
Good, but it's not a nice prank.
I was gonna do the alien invasion one, whatever, but I didn't think that you would take that one seriously. Exactly, but this one was serious.
Seriously, because remember we got that president.
But anyway, guys, I got her good. I got her so good, you guys.
They're both saying it.
Bro, my acting skills, bro, really came in the clutch. But sorry for the glare and the thingy. I had to use a can to prop up the camera. Yeah, I got her good. Okay, guys. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And yeah, subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this. My mom is perfectly fine. For those who are like, oh my gosh, Priscilla, your mother, she's fine. She's chilling out. She's not mad at me anymore. Thank gosh. But yeah, I hope you guys liked today's video, and yeah, bye.